violation and 1 misdemeanor arrest for 2 writs served.
Cash.
What is it?
Cash and probably more weed. Oh, maybe not.
What is it?
Look at all those lotto tickets watered up.
Oh, yeah.
There's something in here. So I don't know if this is rock. Yeah, it's crack rocks. Yep. I bet all those got some crack rocks in them.
On September the 5th, 2022, at approximately 5:02 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were on routine patrol when a vehicle approached them from the rear with their high beams on, blinding the officers. The officers conducted a traffic stop on the vehicle and found a driver with a suspended license, carrying a Glock 45 caliber pistol, 14 packets of crack cocaine individually packed for sale, as well as a little over $1,000 in cash.
But their brights are on. That's blinding the fuck out of me.
They're turning?
No. But they significantly slowed down. I don't know. On.
Did you clear stuff other stuff?
No.
4310.
Yeah, we're 2 Victor. We're gonna have it in 6 at Midland on John Nord unit.
26 on a silver Chevy Malibu. Copy Midland and all.
What's going on? I'm Officer Dodd of Columbus Police. Reason why I stopped you is because you're driving down Broad Street with your brights on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My headlights is out.
Okay. Well, you still can't drive with your brights on, right? You got a driver's license?
Yes, sir.
Where's it at? Are there any weapons or anything like that in the car?
Yes, sir.
You do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where's it at? Okay.
Right here.
That's why I asked where your driver's license was. I appreciate you telling me, but you should probably let me know before you go digging around your center console, right?
Yeah, my bad.
No, you're good.
I got my gun license and stuff.
That's fine. I appreciate it. I see. It's laying right underneath of it. Okay. Is your driver's license underneath of your gun, or is it in your...
I don't even think I got my wallet.
Okay. Well, let me do this.
Yeah, my wallet is at home. I was just,
Where do you live at?
on Wheatland. I was just making my way home.
Okay. What's your name?
Dasani Gillespie.
You spell it for me.
Hey.
Okay. Does the vehicle register to you?
Yes,
This is
sir.
your car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you said you live on Wheatland?
Yes, sir.
Where are you coming from?
I was just dropping my girl off at work.
At work? Where's she work at?
She works at, it's like a STNA job right on,
Asani, do me a favor. I'm gonna have you actually just step out of the vehicle, just away from the gun for right now. Just have you walk back over here and hang out with my partner for a minute, okay? So I'm gonna open your door for you. I'm just gonna have you step back here. You can take your phones with you, that's fine. I don't care. Just have you hang out back there.
What's up, man?
A few moments later.
Hey, can you just do me a favor real quick, man? You don't have a driver's license, okay? So right now, just for right now, okay, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs, just have you take a seat in the back of my car. Doesn't necessarily mean you're going to jail, okay, but you don't have a driver's license, okay? Just hang that right here for me. Just drop
I
that.
just don't want to be here by myself.
You're fine. You're fine. Nothing. We're not gonna do anything, man. It's just you don't have a driver's license, okay? It's not a big deal. We'll get everything situated. And like I said, just right now you're under arrest for it. That doesn't 100% mean you're going to jail. We might call gun crimes.
Boy,
He doesn't have a CCW, right?
he has one, yeah.
He has a CCW permit?
Yeah.
Oh,
Active.
okay. Because he just got picked up for F3. Dope. Like, in March. But if it's not revoked, then we don't. It's I mean, that doesn't change anything. Right? It'd only change if he was carrying under.
I'd call him just to check.
Under Ohio law, if you have been convicted or have an open case involving the possession or distribution of illegal narcotics, you are prohibited from owning and carrying a firearm. With that in mind, the officers contacted a supervisor, had him respond to scene so he could take pictures of the firearm recovered in the vehicle. The officers then proceeded to search the vehicle before it was impounded.
Okay, now.
I had a feeling we were up.
Yep. Can you
He grabbed that.
turn that the other way? Yeah, that way it's right.
I don't think he knew I was on the passenger side. And he goes, "Where's your ID?" And he reaches in there, and his hand is fully around that fucking grip of that thing. And he goes, "There any weapons in the car?" He goes, "Yeah, I got a gun." It's like,
That's not
he straight up grabbed that. It's like, dude, you put his hand all
Do you want to
around it.
try and get...
I can try, but
I hope you're like moving it to get your ID was your thought, not something else. Now there's one in the chamber. I question it a little bit. And why'd you drop the mag?
Your odds are better with the mag.
I'm gonna pull that mag out real quick.
There isn't one.
Yeah, that one.
Oh.
You're gonna write down the gun info.
I already have it.
Okay, cool. Oh, you already got? How'd you get it?
I was able to peek in.
Oh, okay.
I need to run it on record.
I'll take a picture of the mag. Oh, there's more mags. Alright, we're just gonna hold the mags up so we can see the bullets. No, like up. There you go. Alright,
Them hollow points.
the story's over. Have you went through the rest of the car yet? I'll wait then. What kind of Glock is that? Did it say 30?
30S. It's a 30, but small. I don't have it. That's a
Baby, that thing's
It's almost like a 26, but it's a 45. So instead of a 9mm,
tiny ass 45. I think it's gotta be jumpy to shoot.
That thing probably breaks your wrist.
It's probably like I had a Ruger 9mm revolver.
watch there be like an Uzi underneath the seat.
Something not either of those bags.
Oh, under the seat there.
Yeah.
You can put gloves on.
Seat back. Underneath there.
I mean, he
Does that open up on the dash above those vents? Center?
when he had his brights on, he wouldn't pass us because he's blinding the shit out of him. That's why we stopped him, because of his brights. We dropped down to 20, and he wouldn't pass us. So that's where I mean, he obviously dropped the mag on us and didn't have time to get the one out of the pipe. So he had time to stuff shit while he was trying to not let us get behind him.
Yep, AT is approved. Thanks. Please put one traffic citation and one misdemeanor arrest
Oh, shit.
for 2 writs served.
Cash.
What is it?
Cash and probably more weed. Oh, maybe not.
What is it?
Look at all those lotto tickets watered up.
Oh, yeah. Whoop. It looks like he had just stuck that back there.
Yeah.
These are all like, what's in the seat down? They're ready to be loaded.
He's got pills too. I don't know if these are Xanny bars. What are those?
Open it up. We've been having that.
Yeah. They're grenade vitamins.
Probably, I think they're having like fentanyl pressed in pills or something.
I know, I don't want to fucking open one though, that's the thing.
Going back to your hoodie there.
Versace.
We got quite a bit of cash.
Open all of them.
Huh? Here, you want to give me light?
Yep.
So I can two-hand this?
Yep.
There's something in here. So I don't know if this is rock. Yeah, it's crack rocks. Yep. I bet all those got fucking crack rocks in them.
Pretty small, so I don't think it's. I would pull all of them out and keep checking.
You want to take a picture of it with the money all wadded up in there with it? I mean, the thing is, it was inside that bigger bag with tons more marijuana and...
Yeah.
I guess I can call gun crimes back and let them know we have more.
Yeah. Well, if you I would go through those and maybe separate them. Like if you know one's cracked, and then maybe if it's powder, just start making some piles.
This muddy feels gritty, like it's got fucking
Yeah.
shit all over it.
Does that one feel like it's rocky?
It's, yeah, but it's powder. It's already like,
Well, just to,
dude, I'm getting that shit all over my gloves.
that's all right. We'll just leave it at that. Maybe just count how many there are. Let the lab do the.
Opening.
Let them do the.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14-ish.
Nothing in the purse.
He's got rocks in them and powder.
There's more weed in that first bag.
Probably not $1 grand, but
80, you can clear.
Copy, I'll turn around.
Thank you. Radio to S8 with Princeton code 4 or 2.
Yes, ma'am, that's good.
that's $1 grand.
40?
Huh?
How many 20s did you count?
I didn't count 20s. I just did 20, 40, 60, 81.
I was trying to count with you.
I'll go back through.
I only counted 800.
20, 40, 60,
Just count the bills, and then we'll just times
3,
however many
4,
bills.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
40 $20 bills.
I called it $800. He's like, oh, it's 1,000.
No, there's another 200 or 300 right there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
But you were saying that was 1,000.
It is.
Dude, my hand, I got these gloves off. I can feel it.
Let's take it off. Flip them inside out.
Well, I need to count all that. We need to figure out how much we have.
30.
Well, if you wanna get all the money together and count it.
It's all right. It's over 1,000, so you don't need to count it.
Well, we're not 100% sure. That's 800, and I said there's at least 200 or 300 there.
Yeah.
So it's,
837 here.
you have over 1,000 there then. But if you want to double check,
Yeah.
I'll call the detective and let him know. Yeah.
Well, now you're changing the fact pattern. That's the money.
I left that in there because this came separate. This is probably all in the same
It
bag.
was in the same bag, yeah.
Okay, well then I guess it doesn't really matter.
Oh, there's hundreds.
There's just one. 150. 420s. 5.
Not a lot of those, but got those. Yep.
12.
So he's probably got a little over $1,000, and he's got about 13 lotto tickets and crack rock in them. And he had a bunch of the money tucked inside of the bag with the 13 little lotto tickets with the dope in it. And then he's got a bunch of those like packages.
He's over 1,000. Just barely.
What was that? It was in a bag tucked under the passenger seat. Also, there was a round in the chamber of that pistol too. So he must have dropped the mag on us before we stopped him.
And grab those other 20s and stack them in with that group of 20s.
Yeah, so is that 40? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 900. 1,000 right there.
Yeah. Just grab those 20s and stack it with that. I'll take a picture of the money. Then you guys can secure that.
Yeah.
We'll get out of here.
Yeah, it's just. Yeah, and it might be a variety of substances. I kind of stopped peeling them apart because there was just powder going everywhere. So I only checked like 2 or 3 of them. But it just. I couldn't.
Just try and get me a weight and a money count.
Yep, thank you.
And make sure you put that on your stats. Good to go.
Maybe.